doing? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time here, my name is Tofumi and this is my channel. I'm the creative director of Official Awilewa. This is my channel where I talk about fashion, lifestyle, entertainment, fashion tips, sewing tips, and all of that good stuff. So if any of these areas interest you, please subscribe to my channel and like and share my content. Thank you very much. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to sew a satin bonnet, and these are the instruments that you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing your Ankara fabric. I'm going to be teaching you how to sew a reversible Ankara bonnet, that is the type that you can turn. I'm going to attach a picture to this. Anyway, so you're going to be needing your Ankara fabric, you're going to be needing your satin that you want to use to turn it, and the satin can be any color on the fabric of the cloth that you so desire. But because this fabric is a very dark fabric, can you see, like, it's not that sound, I'm going to be using this color of satin to mix with it. You're going to be needing, of course, your tape rule, your chalk, and of course your scissors. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to fold your fabric the way it should be. The round circumference of this satin bonnet that we're going to be doing is going to be 12 inches. So we are going to be folding on 12 inches. We are folded by 12 inches like this. Then we go again like this. Measure 12 inches. Let me measure 14 inches again to be so that it can be equal. Measure 14 inches and fold like this. So now that we have it folded like this, then we'll now take our tape rule and measure the round circumference that we want the bonnet to be, that is 12 inches round. So take from this point, from this edge, you take 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches. After taking our 12 inches round, join, you connect the dots together. Can you see? Then cut. So after we have this, then we use this to cut our satin bonnet. So I have folded my satin bonnet just the way I folded the Ankara. But we are not going to be putting allowance on the satin bonnet. See, we already cut the Ankara out, and then we do the same thing, cut it out. That's all for the cutting of our satin and Ankara satin bonnet. So now let's go and stitch. So the first step is to make sure that the satin and the Ankara are on the same wavelength. That's how I call it. And then you stitch by half an inch round the whole thing, round. You know the drill. Just go round and round and round. So just like 3 inches before you get to the starting line, you just stop there. This will enable us to be able to turn it over to the other side easily, and also to fix the elastic when it's time to fix the elastic. Can you see? So you know the drill to sewing circles. We notch every corner, we notch it round and round. Now that we are done with notching, it's now time to turn it the other way. Bring it out, turn it to the right side, turn it to the opposite side, to the whatever it is you call it. Just time to turn it to the other side. So that's what I'm doing, turning it to the other side and bringing out every corner that has gone inside. So I've gone to iron it, I've gone to press it on the pressing table. So next thing now is to measure 1 inch from the edge of the bonnet, 1 inch in, round. Measure it and go all the way around the bonnet like that. This 1 inch is the space where your the elastic is going to stay, and that edge, that's the way it forms the ruffles at the edge. At the edge rather, just to form this place where elastic is going to stay and form the ruffles at the edge of the bonnet. So we'll do that round. You now sew around the mat area. You can use your chalk to join all the mat area, all the dots together to make it easier for you. But just sew around to make sure that all the dots are connecting together. Now that we are done sewing round, the next step now is to put our elastic. As you can see how all the edges look like. So let's put our elastic. For the elastic, I'm going to be cutting out 12 inches. That is because I don't want it to be too tight and I don't want it to be too loose at the same time. Just perfect for what I want it to be. So I'm going to be using 12 inches. So we all know the drill to fixing the elastic to anything. Use our office pin to hold the first thing, and then a safety pin to pin down the elastic to the satin bonnet, to the satin, let me say satin bonnet, to the satin, so that it doesn't shift, it doesn't move with the other side. As you guys can see that this place is still open, so what we do is just fold it in a little bit and then we stitch that place up so that everywhere is neat and clean and tidy, and there's no part sticking out or one part coming out. Like, do you get what I'm saying? is the finished product. Just look at the edges. Just look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that's it. It's very, very clean and neat and exactly the way we want it to be. Now let's arrange our bonnet and let's look at it. So this is it. You can turn it whichever way you want, to the satin side, to the Ankara side, anyhow you want it, any way you want it to look like. But most times people use the Ankara side so that the satin part is going to soak in your hair and just keep your hair moist all night long or all day long, according to how you use it. So that's the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel. If you have any video requests, please drop them in the comment section. Please share this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video educative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. And that's that about that satin bonnet. Until next time, guys, I still remain your tutor, Tofumi. Follow us on Instagram, official Awelewa. Bye, guys.